How to create a clothing store on GoDaddy website builder. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a clothing store on GoDaddy website builder. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on GoDaddy, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is GoDaddy, it is a publicly traded American company that provides domain name registration, web hosting, and a wide range of internet-related services, in which it has grown to become one of the world's largest and most recognizable web hosting and domain registrar companies, managing of millions of domain names globally. And also the company caters primarily to small businesses, entrepreneurs, and individuals looking to establish a web presence, offering tools for website builders. So now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description, and after signing in, you will automatically be directed on the dashboard of your GoDaddy in here. And now to start creating a clothing store, just simply click your profile icon on the top right corner and click My Products option. Upon clicking on My Products, you will be able to be directed on this page where you should be able to see the list of your website that has been created. But from here, to start creating a new one, just click the button on the top right, set up a free website. By clicking this one, you will automatically be directed on this page, and it will ask you what are some features of your website needs. I'm going to click Sell with Online Store and click the Continue below. And it will ask you what kind of business do you have. So just simply enter here, Clothing Store. So I'm going to enter clothing, and it will show you below the result. And I'm going to choose, for example, men's clothing, and choose or click the Continue button below to proceed. Now the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter the name of your clothing store in here. For example, I'm going to make this the name Vintage Clothing, which spell like this. And after that, you can proceed by clicking again the Continue button below, and it will ask you how should people who visit your site contact you. You can even add your physical addresses by simply entering here your location and also your phone number and email address. And after that, it will show you in here the important part, which is to simply enter the description about your business or your website. So you can make this or enter more detail about your website, including the products that you are selling and many more. So as you can see, I'm just going to enter here, we are selling men's vintage clothing and accessories. Then click the Continue button, and after that you should be able to see here that your website is now being created. So basically from here, all you need to do is to wait for it to load until it has been successfully created. And after that, you should be able to see here what it looks like. You can see here the other elements, but you should be able to see on this pop-up window some of the plan that they offer by GoDaddy, with the corresponding prices and list of benefits in here included. But I'm going to click Continue for free. And after that, it will show you what sections would you like on your website. You can simply check the boxes if you want to add the section, and can click Continue to My Site button to be proceed to our website in here and start customizing it. And now to proceed, we can simply click any of the elements in here that we want to customize. But to customize the layout of it, we can click this icon on the top panel, or click this color palette that we want to choose the color of this text or background in here. Now, as you can see, it is now being changed. But for example, I'm just going to select here a random color by simply choosing here the kind of shades that we prefer. For example, this one, which is this purple color, or even a violet. And after that, you could also scroll down and click, for example, this image that you want to change, and click Change Image button right here on the right side panel, where you can start adding an image from your computer files, or click here the free image and insert it. Now, as you can see, it is now being inserted. You could also click the context if you want to change this on the right side panel in here, such as our mission, and even choose the pay or action button that you prefer. By adding an online store or products, just click this Add Products button, and in this pop-up window, it will show you how you can start adding a products, which is of course a clothing. So basically from here, just simply fill out the required information, including to upload an image, enter the name of the product, the price of it, the sale price, the product category, the SKU, the tax category, and many more. So basically, by filling out all of this required information, you'll now be able to start adding a new product on your online store or clothing store on your GoDaddy. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you the other details, including to add a description of it, an inventory and options, to track the inventory, and even the shipping information in here. And also the search engines to see what it looks like when it has been searched on Google. So we have here this product link. Now closing this to add product. Going back in here, if you scroll down, it will show you some other details, while on the right side panel, it will show you the editing tools that you can navigate also. For example, by clicking add section, on the right side panel, we can add here or choose the kind of section we want to add. Since it is a clothing store, I'm going to add, for example, image gallery, and click photo gallery in here, and just simply choose here the kind of gallery that we prefer, and click on it. And after that, you should be able to see here that the section has now been added. So this is basically what it looks like, and you could also customize this one by one on the pictures in here on the right side panel, as you can see. You could also change the theme, the color, the font size, font style, and many more. And let's say if you're done filling out or customizing your own clothing store website, in GoDaddy, just click the publish button on the top panel to save all of the changes that you just add. And upon clicking on it, all you need to do is wait for it to load until it has been fully published using the elements that we just customized earlier. Then you should be able to see here the link that you can view to be directed or see what it looks like when a customer tries to visit our clothing store. So this is basically what it looks like. So we can scroll down until we find some other clothes that we offer in this website with the corresponding prices also. So as you can see, we have here this gallery that we add, and contact information, and any other details. So as you can see, we've now successfully created the online store website in here. Moving on, we could also add more details, including the payment details on how we can start receiving payments by clicking in here on the left side panel of this website. Under this store, we can navigate the products. If you want to add more products that you prefer to add products from your CSV file. While in terms of payment details, you could also click the settings under store section. You could also navigate the appointments, such as staff, if you want to add a staff or employee on your website in here, and any other details. Now moving on in here on your dashboard, it will show you what it looks like or the overview of it, such as the number of clicks, visits on your store, and many more. While under the settings of the store section, from here you can navigate the payment option, where you can link the payment method that you prefer, such as PayPal, your debit or credit card, and any other online payments in here, or even accept the offline payments. But overall, that is just basically how you can create a clothing store on GoDaddy website builder. Thank you.